What can diabetics eat? If you are diabetic, or you are living with diabetes, or caring for someone who is, you know how confusion food choice can be. One wrong bite can spike your blood sugar. This is the bad news. But the good news, you don't have to give up delicious meals. In a new German research, they prove this. If you are interested, let us start. Now, what should a diabetic patient eat? Which foods are healthy and which ones should be avoided? First, a quick science refreshment. What is diabetes? Diabetes means your body struggles with insulin. So carbohydrates break down into glucose and raise blood sugar. You know the three essential elements: carbohydrates, fats, and protein. So if you eat a lot of carbohydrates, this raises your blood glucose. What about fats and protein? Fats and proteins, if they are unhealthy, can affect satiety and heart risk. So now we have to find the key. The key is easy: to choose foods with low glycemic index. They release sugar slowly. What we're afraid of in diabetes as doctors, that your sugar level become very high suddenly. And we focus on balanced plates like vegetables, quarter portion of protein, and quarter whole grains or healthy fats. And I will explain this now. Portions control is your best friend. Use your hand as a guide. Fist for veggies, palm for protein, thumb for fats, cubed hand for carbs. Now, let us build your diabetes-friendly grocery list. Before we build your diabetes-friendly list, you have to know that diabetes affects your glucose. Food directly impacts blood sugar level. This will increase your glucose, and we have to keep your blood sugar stable, prevent complications. A healthy diabetes diet is not about strict restrictions. It's about balance, portions, as I said, and smart choices. So, what are the healthy foods? Number one, non-starchy vegetables. They are superheroes, low in carbs, high in fibers, vitamins, antioxidants, and they barely budge your blood sugar. They are low in calories, rich in fibers, which help to control our blood sugar. Leafy greens like Spanish, lettuce, and Swiss charts. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. Others like zucchini, peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, asparagus. A tip as example: 2 cups per meal of Spanish with garlic, or roast broccoli with olive oil, and this is tasty and your blood sugar friendly. And a big salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, stabilize level all your afternoon. Now, what about protein? Protein, we have to go to lean proteins. They keep you full, build your muscles, and have zero carbohydrates. Good example is eggs, chicken without skin, fish like salmon or tuna, because fatty fish contains omega-3, which helps your heart health and your general health in general. And soon we will make you an extra video about omega-3. Also, legumes and beans like lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans. They are rich in protein and fiber, making them excellent for your blood sugar. Also, dairy, healthy dairy, or we can say low-fat dairy, like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, low-fat milk, and so on. This provides you protein and calcium without too much fat. So a meal idea: grilled salmon with steamed broccoli, 20 grams of carbs. Maybe you can take as example brown rice. And studies show protein helps with insulin sensitivity, so don't skip protein. Next point, healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential because they slow carb absorption and you don't feel after them hungry. So as example, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or avocado is very good. This is a very good healthy fat, and olive oil. Those fats help reduce cholesterol and improve overall health. As example, fats are calorie dense. Sprinkling chia seeds, put it in yogurt for a fiber boost that lower your glucose level. Now, what about fruits? Fruits, yes, diabetic can eat fruits. The most good things are apples, pears, citrus fruits, and berries. Berries like strawberry, blueberries, raspberries. Apples and pears, of course, known. Citrus like grapefruit or orange. And also the whole greens. Whole greens, you can eat oats, brown rice. This contain fiber and help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Also quinoa, and burgol. But avoid white versions in any carbs or in any greens as you can. So overnight, you can eat some oats with berries and almonds, 15 grams of carbs, and steady energy. So now we come to the point of unhealthy food that spike blood sugar fast. And as I said in the beginning, this is very important. They spike blood sugar fast, and this here is a danger. Like sugary drinks, soda, juice, especially with sugar, even energy drinks, and even diet. Because diet drinks, they contain artificial sweeteners in excess. This causes rapid spikes in blood sugar. Also, eating refined carbs, as I said, white bread as example, pasta, pastries, chips, and of course all sweet things like candy, cakes, ice cream, chocolate bars. This increase your blood sugar suddenly. Also processed meats like bacon, sausage, because this contains high sodium, because it always they put salt and nitrates, and this of course very bad for your blood pressure and for your sugar level. And high glucose fruits like dried raisins as example, or grapes, mango, and figs. And this is a very important point: fried foods, French fries, donuts, fast food in general is fast in increasing your blood glucose. So take care. Even if you make fast food, make it home with a healthy oil and eat very small amount. And because we're afraid of the rapid glucose spike and insulin crashes and long-term complications. So a simple meal plan: breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and almonds; lunch, grilled chicken salad without skin with mixed greens, avocado, olive oil dressing; dinner, baked salmon, quinoa, steamed broccoli; at evening, if you are in front of TV, handful of walnuts. Very important also points: read any label of any food you buy and find if the sugar is under 5 grams or not. Eat fiber first. This is very important. And try to monitor your glucose as you can, and consult your doctor, of course, Here we give just advices for you, but each patient is different. So in general, to summarize, healthy choices like veggies, proteins, and nuts keep you energized without glucose spikes, while ditching sugars and refined carbs can also protect your health. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for more diabetic tips in English and more general health tips. What's your goal of Healthy Swap? Leave us comment if you have any question. Was with you, Dr. Megid, Simply Medicine. Thank you.